Welcome to week one of our summer course for Design 301. This is your assignment guide. There's three main things we're going to be working on this week. We're going to do an intro to the course so that you sort of understand how it works and what the expectations are and what what you'll be learning and how to do the basic stuff of turning in your work and things like that. We're also going to work on Workspace Setup so that as you begin working in AutoCAD, which you are going to do very, very quickly in this course, it's set up in a way that is useful to you. AutoCAD is so flexible and has so many things that you can do with it that depending on what industry you're in, if you're landscaping or fashion or architecture or mechanical or civil, you have certain needs for your drawings and your designs that are specific to your industry. So AutoCAD lets you set it up so that you can be efficient in doing what you need to do and don't have to worry about all the rest. Now, we're going to be doing that at a very, very basic level, but we'll be showing you how to do some workspace setup. And then we're going to get started right off the bat with some lines and shapes. And they're not very exciting lines and not very exciting shapes, but they're the basics that will get you the tools so that you can do more stuff later on. So the goals for this week's work are to learn how the class works and to begin at the very start of AutoCAD. You've already got a lot of experience, then this is going to be very simple and easy. And if you don't have any experience, it will be simple and difficult. It's straightforward. There's nothing really fancy about it. But if you're trying to learn this all at once, there is quite a bit of work. Be sure to reach out to me if you feel like it's overwhelming in any way, and we'll go over that and make a plan for you. So what are we going to learn? Understand how the class works and what the requirements and expectations are. Then we're going to learn to set up AutoCAD, the workspace, and I've got some demos for you so that you can follow that along and at least be set up in a way that will work for us on a short term. You can do other setup later on, and we're going to learn how to create lines and shapes. In addition, there's it's a new language. AutoCAD is its own language, and so there's abbreviations, there's commands, there's things that you can do, and things that people refer to. So there are terminology and keywords that are specific to AutoCAD. And we're going to introduce some of those and give you a chance to practice them in some games, okay, that make it a little more interesting than just fill in the blank. Okay, so that's what we're going to be going over. I'll go over each of the activity guide and place videos in each area that will help you out. In addition, you're going to see many other links to videos and files that will be useful for you. And then at the very end, I gave you a little bit of some samples for what other people have turned in this first week for workplace setup and drawing lines. You'll see that there's many different ways that you can show it. And here's some more that other people have shown on that they've done their specific activities, just to give you an idea. Yours don't have to look exactly like this, but it can be nice to have some. So there we go. That's your week one, just super overview. I'm going to post that right here in just moments, and then we'll get into the other slides.